Hello, everybody. I hope all are doing great. Very positive morning to each and everyone out there. And today I came up with the topic of how to overcome struggles with the help of very small story. So let's dive into today's story. Yes, once in a village there was one person, and that man was facing so many problems, so many struggles, and he can't explain how many problems he faced through till now in his life, and there is no growth in his life. So he finally decided to take a sannyasi, to become a sannyasi. He don't want to lead his life with all these problems. He want to stay in sannyas ashram. So he started his new journey. He's walking through the forests. He met one Guruji on the way, and he explained each and everything to him. What are the problems he faced through? Why he want to give up? And why he want to be a sannyasi? And he mentioned that how much he's attempting to come out with the problems, that much effort, that much results he is not getting, positive results he is not getting, how much effort he is putting also. So he explained everything, and he told this is the main reason why he want to give up. And Guruji listened everything, and finally he has given one little smile, and he told to that person, please come up with me, I want to show you something. And both are walking, and in the forest Guruji shown two small plants, and he explained the story like the Guruji with his own hands, he put both the seeds at the same time, the same place. Within 1 month, one seed became a very long tree, but the other seed, there is no growth in that seed. Not even small plant is coming from that seed. Years are passing, years are passing, but still no growth from that seed. As normal like us people, we surely give up. We never ever water to that seed. But Guruji not made that thing. He's still watering to that seed continuously, consistently. So after 5 years, one small 1-inch small green plant came from that seed. So Guruji felt so happy. There is boundless joy. He enjoyed a lot. So he's continuously pouring water. After pouring water, within 6 months, that small plant, green plant, became a very big bamboo tree. Yes, my dear friends. So here, Guruji explained to that person that till 5 years, not even small plant came from that seed. But only within 6 months, that small seed became a very big long tree. So overall 5 years, 6 months, it became a very long big tree. So why? So here Guruji explained to that person that till that 5 years, that plant grown inside. Yes, my dear friends, that plant grown inside, it made its roots strong. That plant is in the preparation to make its foundation strong. Yes, it made it grown inside, not from outside. So once its roots are strong, once its foundation is strong, it can stand. How much long it will go also, it can stand because of his strongest roots. Right? So in the same way, in all our lives too, so many people are facing so many problems. Struggling with job, struggling with business, struggling with kids, struggling with life. right? But never ever give up. The people who are struggling in their lives, they are not struggling their lives. They are making themselves strong. This is the best time to make themselves strong. This is the best time to prove themselves who they are. So think positively, stay positively, and believe in yourself. One day you will reach your dreams. One day you will be the better version of yourself because of your strongest roots, right? So never ever give up in your life. If anybody is there inside or beside or surrounded or around by you, in your relatives or in your friends or in your neighbors, if anybody is there, please share this story. Give them some hope that they are not in the stage of struggling. They are in the stage of making themselves strong. Once they make themselves strong, once they are strong to themselves, they will be the better version of themselves. And once they reach their heights, once they reach their dreams, if they get any problem at that stage, nobody can beat them. Believe me, nobody can beat them because they are strong enough to face, they are strong enough to control that situation, to control that struggle, because they made themselves strong, right? They became strong themselves, right? So never ever give up in your life. Stay strong, stay positive, and rock your life. Enjoy your life, minute to minute, second to second. Enjoy your life. So I hope all you loved this story. If you loved this story, please like it. And if you want more people to love this story, don't forget to share. Thank you so much for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.